my channel yet again, Delhi Damunda 7. Today I'm going to show you how to install Office 2019 in a very few easy steps. Okay, let me just begin. So I have already opened this tab, so I'll show you from beginning. So just you need to open the any browser which you like, so Firefox or Google Chrome. Okay, so I have opened Chrome, so just write Office deployment tool and hit on the first link and download this file. Okay, so once you're done with this, open Office configuration tool. So click on customization tool, and which is this is how we will make our setup file. Okay, so just you need to click on 64-bit if you have a 64-bit configuration, hardware configuration. Okay, I have 64-bit. Okay, so for this thing you can check also from your setting. I'll show you here. So just click on setting, click on system, scroll it down, click on about. So in this way you will get to know 64-bit. I have a 64-bit operating system. Okay, so once you check this mark, so click on the Office packages which you want to install. So I've chosen Office Professional Plus, so you can choose the same one, and other setting, let it as default. So go to the next one, hit on next, choose the languages. I'll choose English US, you can choose the same one. Click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next, and hit the next again, and just hit the finish button. Okay, so now click on export, check the keep current setting, and hit OK. So check this license and hit export. So we have made ready our configuration Office deployment but file. Okay, so we are just good to go for the setup. So just go to your download folder. Okay, so let me do it again. So this is our two file. Okay, so what we'll do first, so you need to create one folder. So you can click by there, or you can use the shortcut keyboard also from keyboards, Control X, Control Shift N. Okay, for the shortcut of making new folder. So write Office 2000, Office 2019. Okay, enter. Just copy this, cut, just select these two, and Control X and paste it here. Okay, so now click on deployment tool and click as run as administrator. Okay, click on yes, hit check this one, hit continue, choose the download, choose the file, Office. Yeah, so we have extracted our file, we are good to go for setup. So just open your cmd, run as administrator, hit yes. So I'll give you two command. Okay, so I have already, so I'll give you these two command in the description below, you will get that. So from there you can copy paste. So let me check that file. So I have this command, so first copy this first one. Okay, so paste it here. So look, this cd means change directory. Okay, so we are going in the C drive because we have pasted that Office 2019 there. Okay, I'll show you there, just give me a second. So we have extracted that Office file here. Okay, so just click Ctrl X and copy this folder to C drive. Ctrl V. So this is the location which I have given, C drive. Okay, so folder name Office underscore 2019. We will give the same one. So we will give underscore as well and hit enter. So we have switched to Office 2019. So now we give another command to run the file, this configuration, Control C, Control V, hit enter. Now look. So this will pop up the installation folder, installation interface. Okay, you have to follow the same whatever comes on the screen. You just need to follow and install the Office Word. Okay, once you install it, because it's showing me couldn't install because we couldn't find the specified configuration file. Okay, it's giving the specified configuration error. Let me check. I'll show you again. I have already have this. So configuration file, you just need to go there. Look, our configuration is 1 is written. Okay, so you just need to do, you can edit as well. So I'll just edit this file. I'll just remove one. Okay, hit enter. Now I'll run the same command again. Okay, to go back to the previous command, just click on the up arrow. Okay, and run it. Okay, now look what is coming. To install this product, first uninstall the following product, because I already installed this Office Home, okay, in my computer, in my laptop. So in your case it won't be showing this one error. Okay, because if you have already installed, then it will show, otherwise it won't be. Okay, since you don't have installed it, so it will pop up the interface. So you just need to follow this step. Okay, there will be the install option. You just click on the save the install and just do whatever comes on the screen. Okay, and then after, once it is installed, you just need to go and write word like this one. Okay, just hit open and look, you are ready to go. Okay, okay guys, so how do you like this video? Okay, just leave your comment as well. If you're stuck somewhere, just leave your comment. Okay, I'll get back to you there. Okay, so how do you like this video? Just share with your friends, family. Okay, and give your like and subscribe my channel and share as much as you can. Okay, thank you guys. This much for today. I'll come with another video as soon as possible. Okay, till then, take care and have a good day, guys. Bye bye.